In today's video, I'm going to teach you Stremio versus Syncler. We're going to take a clear look at both platforms so you can better understand how they differ in setup, features, and overall user experience. If you're trying to decide which one fits your viewing style better, this comparison should make that choice much easier. First, open Stremio on your device. Since it's already logged in, you can go straight into the main app experience without needing to stop for account setup. Once it opens, take a moment to look around the interface. Focus on the main dashboard, the way the library is organized, and how the navigation system is laid out. This gives you a quick sense of how accessible the platform feels right from the start. As you move through Stremio, notice that it's free to use and generally requires very little configuration before you can get started. That's one of its biggest strengths. It's designed to be simple and approachable, which is especially helpful if you want something that works quickly without much setup. Next, review Stremio's main features. Pay attention to its catalog-based system, the straightforward navigation, and the built-in add-ons. These elements contribute to a more streamlined experience, where content discovery and playback feel direct and uncomplicated. Overall, Stremio tends to prioritize ease of use, quick setup, and lightweight management, making it a strong option for users who prefer simplicity. Now open the Syncler app on your device, if it's installed. Once inside, the first thing to keep in mind is that Syncler requires a subscription for full functionality. That's an important distinction because it changes both the value proposition and the type of user it may appeal to. From there, explore Syncler's features. Look at its source aggregation, watch tracking tools, and subtitle customization options. These features point to a more advanced platform, one that gives users more control over how they browse, manage, and personalize their viewing experience. As you compare both apps, pay special attention to customization. Syncler offers more advanced settings and deeper control, while Stremio keeps things simpler and more beginner-friendly. That difference really defines the experience of each platform. Finally, compare the overall experience. Stremio stands out for simplicity and fast setup, while Syncler offers more customization and control for users who want a more tailored setup. At this point, choose your preferred platform based on what matters more to you: ease of use or advanced control. Thanks for watching.